Alright, I'm cutting a valley. We'll go ahead and take our measurement that we got from the roof. Mark my top and my bottom. While we're down here, we can do our dog ear as well. And then just make sure after we're done cutting that we open up our top and our bottom hooks. Alright, valley panels, our exit panel, wherever the valley exits out. What we want to do is we're going to place that cut, and we're going to mark the edge of my valley. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and notch this to that mark. And then we'll fold it over on itself with the mallet. And then all my panels going into the valley, we're going to dog ear my panel here. And then we'll be ready to install that. And we just want to keep the panel about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch away from the main V in the middle. Make sure that's hooked along our bottom. And we can go ahead and fasten that. No fasteners over the valley pan. The closest valley fastener will be just outside of the valley. And then after that, once we get it going up the valley, every panel after, we'll do the following steps. Once again, we're going to go ahead and dog ear the top of that panel like so. And on the bottom, about 1.5 inches in, we're going to create a small V, just like so. That will be every panel as we're going up after the exit panel. And then we'll just install that and fasten as normal.